Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today we are going to be doing another simple unboxing. And today we have the Karl Lagerfield Chalina Slingbacks heels, and y'all guess how much these shoes were? $34 at Nordstrom Rack. So you already know I had to pick up two pairs. So the first pair I have, they come in this black chic box. I love the box. The decor is everything. And then of course it has the logo paper to it, and y'all check out this first pair. So the first pair I got were the lime green and pink rhinestone ones. They are super cute, y'all. Look how cute these are. The rhinestones set it off for this heel. The heel's not too high and very much so comfortable. And y'all know slingbacks are definitely in for the summertime, so a nice dressy heel. Oops, not me dropping the shoe though. But we are back. Here's the second one. We're going to go ahead and undo the second one. Take it out the paper. Again, these are the lime green and pink ones. And y'all, if y'all have not already, go ahead and check out my short video with me styling these. I have a Thursday night outfit with a green dress from Acorns, so y'all check out that little short. Run that up real quick. And here are the shoes. Super cute and classy. So you already know I had to run it back and get another pair. So I got a second pair. So again, we have the black and white box, the Karl Lagerfield pairs black box. And then, of course, it comes with the logo printed paper. And then for this second pair, I got these black and white tip with a hint of gray that kind of sets off the gray and the rhinestones. These are super cute, y'all. The two-tone light makes the shoe set off. So here's the second one. We're going to go ahead and unbox the second one. Y'all, how y'all like these? Super cute. Y'all let me know which one of these colors were your favorite. And of course, $34. Nordstrom Rack cannot beat it. Y'all let me know. Hit that subscribe button.